What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to another episode of Smell What Coop Is Cooking. On today's episode, I'm bringing you guys my foolproof dough recipe. Super easy, not a lot of ingredients needed for this one. It's so versatile you can make an assortment of different dishes with it, and that's exactly what we're making today. Full recipes in the description. Let's go. What's poppin', y'all? Alright, Chef Hames Coop here was just here at the crib. Showed your boy how to make this fire dough recipe. I'm bringing it to you guys today, and the ingredients that we're gonna need are active dry yeast, salt, olive oil, sugar, warm water, and bread flour. That's it. That's all you're gonna need is these simple ingredients to hook up the most fire dough you've ever made in your life. Full recipe with amounts are in the description as always. Let's jump right into it, yo. First thing you're gonna wanna do is grab yourself a mixing bowl. Into that mixing bowl, we're gonna be adding our warm water. Make sure this water is somewhere between 105 and 110, so you might wanna get yourself a thermometer. Next, let's add in 1 packet of active dry yeast. Next, let's go in with our sugar. Grab yourself a wire whisk. This is gonna help activate the dough even faster. Go ahead and give that a nice little quick mix. All right, let's go ahead and let this sit for about 10 to 12 minutes, long enough for our yeast to eat up all that sugar and activate. And after 10 to 12 minutes have passed, let's go ahead and mix this up one more time with our wire whisk. This is gonna get poured directly into our mixer. Next, we're gonna go in with our olive oil, followed by 3 cups of bread flour. I'm gonna sift this flour before it goes inside of my mixer, just to get out all those lumpy bits. But this step is completely optional. Feel free to put your flour directly in the mixer. Last but not least, let's add our salt. Let's go ahead and grab our lid for our mixer, add that on top, press the power button, and we're gonna let all these ingredients mix together until it forms a nice piece of dough. And once your ingredients have mixed and your dough is formed, let's go ahead and take this out of our mixer. Flour up a flat surface. Start rolling your dough ball around in it just a little bit so it's not too sticky. Now we're gonna start to form this into a nice dough ball by rolling it with our fingers into the flats of our hands to give us that nice smooth surface. Hey, if you're digging this recipe, don't forget to let me know by liking and subscribing. Once you got that dough rolled up into a nice ball, I'm gonna grab another mixing bowl, line it with a little bit of olive oil. Now I'm gonna put my dough ball face down into the olive oil, flip it back over, add a kitchen towel on top, and we're gonna let this sit out at room temperature for about 2 hours or until it doubles in size. And after about 2 hours, our dough ball has blown up. Perfect. Let's go ahead and take this, add it back onto a floured flat surface. Repeat the process by rolling this around in the flour and creating another dough ball. Took the liberty of making an extra piece of dough off camera. Now let's grab a cooking sheet, drizzle a little bit of olive oil on that bad boy. Add those dough balls face down on the pan so the tops get the olive oil. Flip it over so now the bottoms are sitting in it as well. Now let's cover these dough balls up with a little bit of plastic wrap. These bad boys are ready to go right now. I'm gonna chuck these in my fridge for about an hour, just long enough to let these dough balls proof a little bit further. You can keep them in your fridge for up to 24 to 48 hours. They might blow up on you a little bit, but that's all right. All you gotta do is roll them back up in a dough ball and they are ready to go. We now have perfectly risen dough. There you have it, you guys. Coop's recipe on how to make pizza dough. Let me know how you guys like this one in the comment section. Appreciate you for being here for another episode of Smell What Coop Is Cooking. I'm gonna catch y'all next week. I'm gone. Bam! There you have it, you guys. My foolproof dough recipe. Let me know how you guys like this one in the comment section. Don't forget to check next week's episode to see exactly what I do with it. But until then, don't forget to like my ish, share with a friend or foe you already know. For any special business inquiries,
investors, possibly you.
Don't forget to hit your boy up at smellwhatcoopIscooking@gmail.com. And we'll catch you guys right back here next week for another episode of Smell What Coop Is Cooking.